Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in our last video, I had told you about the multiplication methods of decimal numbers in a various ways. Today we'll do some questions of that particular terms, questions of multiplication of decimals. So starting from the first one, it is 0.2 multiplied by 6. Okay, here what you will do, you have various methods to find it out. You can simply do multiplication of these two numbers, which is 2 and 6. So we have answer 12. And after that, we'll count the number of digits present after the decimal. So here it is 1, so we'll put a decimal from right side, which is this. 1.2 will be the answer. Coming to the next one, it is 2.5 multiplied by 0.3. Here both the numbers are of decimal types. We will simply do what? Multiply 25 by 3 and the answer will be 75. Now we will count the number of digits present after the decimal. Here it is 1 and here it is 1. 1 and 1 will gives us 2. So we'll put a decimal sign after this. 0.75 will be the answer. Now coming to the third question. It is 2.71 multiplied by 5. For this you can apply same method. Now again you will simply do what? Let's have some another methods also. It is 271 upon 100 multiplied by 5. We'll do what? Multiply this number by 5, which is 5. One 355 upon 100. So here we have 13.55, 13.55. That is the another method by converting the decimal into fractional terms. Now coming to the fourth one, it is 3.62 multiplied by 100. Now here I just told you that if any type of number is there, if the zeros are present only along with 1, you have to do what? Shift the decimal towards the right side. Here two zeros are present. We will shift this decimal towards the right side up to 2 place. Here 1 and here it is 2. So the answer will be 362. Okay. Now the next one, which is fifth question. It is 0.9 multiplied by 100. Again we will do the same term. We'll shift the decimal up to 2 place. So here we will shift up to 1, then again we will have 0. So the answer will be 90. Okay. Now the sixth question is 0.5 multiplied by 0.05. You will do again what? Multiply the 5 and 5 will gives you 25, and now count the number of number of digits present after the decimal. Here it is 1, 2 and 3. So we'll put the decimal after third place. So first, second and third. If we don't have the third number, we'll write a 0 over here and we'll again put the 0. So here the answer will be 0.02 and 5. Okay. So that is all different types of questions from decimals. In our next video, we'll start the division of decimals. So thank you for today.